Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Alice. On this channel, I teach about freelancing, virtual assistant, passive income, AI, and a lot of things that you can learn from. So I would suggest if you are new, you turn your notification bell. So whenever I put out any video, you'll be the first to get notification for YouTube. So you can come, watch this video and take advantage of the value I am going to be putting out. But today, let's focus on today. Today, I'm going to be teaching on how to create YouTube thumbnail. And lest I forget, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment so that this video can get to more audience. Let's get right into it. So I found a tool that can create your YouTube thumbnail in seconds. I repeat, can create your YouTube thumbnail in seconds. You don't have to sit on Canva. You don't have to sit on any app or any website to create thumbnail. Cracking your brain, thinking of what to create, thinking of what to put out. No. With this tool, you will just create this thumbnail in seconds just by giving it a prompt. That's all. You don't need to do too much. Just give it a prompt. That's all you have to do. I'm going to give like a rundown features of this tool, right? This tool is amazing. This tool is going to create a YouTube thumbnail in seconds. This tool is so flexible, right? It's so flexible that it comes in a way that after creating this thumbnail for you, you can always go back and choose or change or edit to what you want. It can create whatever you want, whatever description you give it to create whatever you want, and then you are allowed to go and edit the way you want and put it and make it the way you want your thumbnail to look like. And even if you don't want to change it, the result is amazing. And this tool equally gives high quality output. Yes, it gives high quality output. It produces high resolution images, making it suitable for professionals. You can use it for graphic design, you can use it for advertising, you can use it for media production. And 3, this tool, the interface is so friendly. Yes, the interface is so friendly. The process of generating image is so straightforward. You don't have to crack your brain. You don't have to start thinking, how do you navigate this website, how do you navigate this tool? No, you can just, it is so user friendly that once you are on the site, you can just go ahead and do what you want to do without even cracking your brain or without even thinking. Do you get? And then this tool gives you the freedom to experiment. Yes, it gives the freedom to experiment. You can experiment, you can navigate the tool and then see what you want to do, what you need to do, what you need to fix, and that you get. So this tool is amazing. This tool is amazing. And then you can equally adjust. You can customize. You can customize the output to what you want. You can make it look like what you want. And the one that is busting my head is the speed this tool use to create these images. It doesn't waste time. Some tools that you use in creating images, when you put in your prompt, you have to wait for like 30 minutes, some 20 minutes, but this tool, the speed is used to create images is mind-blowing. And then the last feature that is blowing my mind, just like this image production, I'm talking about this text to image. You just put your text. Once you put your text and press enter, it's going to take seconds, just like I said on my thumbnail, seconds for this thing to give you an output. Just simply put your description. You don't have to do too much. Simply put your description. It's the level of detail you give, that is what it's going to give you. And even after putting your detail or putting your description and it generates an image, you can equally go back, just like I said, you can equally go back and go and say, I don't like the color, I don't like and all that, I don't like the images, I change it to this, change it to that. This tool will simply go back and change these images for you and make it look as what you want and make it look as what you desire. It's mind-blowing. So let me quickly take you to this tool and show you. But let me tell you the name of this tool. This tool is called Ideogram AI. So once you go to your Google, you type in Ideogram, right? It will bring you to this interface. If you are signed up, once you click on this, it will bring you to this part. Yes, it will bring you to this part. But once you are not signed up, you have to sign up, please. And just, this is it. You will just come here and write what you want. And can you see here? This is where you can always change what you want. This is where you can give it what you want. This is, see, it even gave you the ratio for YouTube, YouTube for Instagram, Facebook, and whatever. So whichever platform you want to use this tool to generate image from, this tool is amazing. It's going to create for you realistic images. It wouldn't look like what AI made. It's going to look so real. So on this, we're just going to make something very, very simple. You can just simply come and say, create or generate a YouTube thumbnail of how to get 4,000 watch hours in 5 days. Make sure you click on 16 by 9. I've used this platform before. That's why I had to come, and that's why it's already on 16 by 9. But please, if you've not used it before, make sure you click on 16 by 9 and then you generate. It's already generating. Are you seeing it? It's already generating. It's going to take minutes. This is 11%, 29. So fast. 45. So fast, 63. 78. Voila. This is amazing. Can you see the amazing thumbnail it created? Can you see? So on this part, I can come and edit whatever I want. And then this tool, you can equally integrate other tools, just like Canva. Can you see on this part, there is Canva here? You can equally integrate other tools. You can integrate other tools that will make it easier for you. Even if you don't want to edit here, you want to go to Canva and go and make this thing look awesome, you can go to Canva, edit it the way you want. You can integrate other tools to it, right? Other tools that you can use for creativity, other designers tools, you can integrate it on this tool, and then you're going to use it. It gives you room to integrate. Can you see? Can you see the amazing work he did? Tell me who's going to see this thumbnail like this. If you say, oh, get 4,000 watch hours in 5 days, and then you put this out, and you say this is not captivating, and you say this is not beautiful, this is not going to call people to come and watch your video. Wow, I marveled. Instead of sitting down for hours and designing, for those, for small YouTubers like me, or for those that don't really know how to do editing, just like me, that is just trying to fix something out, or for those big creators that don't have time to do editing, you have a lot on your hand, you have a lot to do, just come to Ideogram AI and give it a prompt. It's going to generate an amazing thumbnail for you. So if you watch this video to this point, please, I beg you, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification. So whenever I put out amazing videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube, and then you can take advantage of the amazing tutorial.